to Grand Marais. Stop it now.
Why?
Because you're a butthole.
I think it's safe to say they don't like the drone.
What'd you do, Sparky?
Apparently I pissed off some seagulls.
We're going hiking on Pincushion Mountain.
There's bears.
Okay. I like bears. I'm at 1,845 steps, 0.84 miles. That was me being sarcastic because I hate the ticks.
Bring it to me, bring your sweet loving, bring it all home to me. Yeah, 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 yeah. I know I
Hey.
Perfect.
58 and rising. Partly cloudy. Nearest precipitation is 33 miles to the southwest. Light rain starting at noon. Here, look at what we're walking through. Ugh, ugh, can you hear it? Gross. If you're not coordinated like me, then you're gonna die.